You find yourself drenched right after stepping out for just even 5 minutes? Well, you've got to beat the heat, right? And why not beat the heat with some smoothies? We've got co-owners of Baz Blends Cafe, Shabazz and Yolande Brown, and they're here to whip up a few frozen treats. Almost said treats. Anyhow, a few frozen treats. Morning, Shabazz. Morning, Yolande. How y'all doing?
I'm fine.
Good stuff. So you got the Baz Blends Cafe. Why did you decide to get into that business, and how long have you been doing it?
Well, we have been doing it over 4 years now.
Okay.
Just in the heart of COVID. So why we started it is because of my need personally. I am very busy, on the go. And I realized that I'm not getting the time to eat. So I decided to, why not invest in setting up a smoothie bar? Because I'm also an entrepreneur that does other stuff rather than smoothies. So what better way to get my nutrients than to supplement it with healthy smoothies?
Yeah, so you just popped your meals into a cup.
That's right.
What's the response been like?
Well, it has been very good, because people have become more health conscious now. And because people are also as busy as us, they want to maybe grab a meal but get all the nutrients at the same time.
Right.
So it has been good. We have a location at, basically beside a gym.
Oh, perfect.
Yes.
That's right.
That's strategic.
That's ideal.
Strategic business placement. All right, so we've got here two protein smoothies, which is perfect for the gym folks.
Yes.
But you've got some fruits, and you're going to do those as well.
Right.
What else is on the menu? Is it just like protein smoothies or and fruit smoothies? Do you do anything else? Does it get any more creative? What else do you have?
Yes, it does get a little bit more creative. We have in the past provided with healthy patties, power patties.
Ooh, okay.
Yes, and wraps.
Yes.
And we are in the process of revamping that menu to resume the offering of that.
Okay, exciting times ahead for you guys.
Yes.
I look forward to it. Obviously, people, as you mentioned, are more health conscious. They're looking for these kinds of offerings on for themselves. And what are you going to make for us today?
Where we're going to make berry craze and fruit fiesta.
Berry craze and fruit fiesta. What's in the berry craze? Oh, well, I think I have an idea, but what's in it?
Well, we put pineapple, blueberries and strawberries, and sometimes I'll put a little watermelon, so you can get your antioxidants and your vitamins and so forth.
All right, so let's get right into it then. I'll allow you, because we can't talk while the blender is running, but you've got those berries, you've got other fruits, you've got apple juice and stuff, and no added sweeteners, right?
No added sweeteners.
Perfect. Get into it, man.
All right.
Okay. All right, so we're going to prep for the...
Which one are we making first?
Berry
We're going to do the berry craze first.
All right, go right ahead. And what's in that? What's in that?
Put a little watermelon.
Okay, that's watermelon. Okay, and all frozen. Of course.
Yes.
Oh, so you're not adding ice to it. The fruits themselves are frozen.
We do add ice.
You do add a little bit of ice.
Yes.
Okay, all right, good stuff.
To balance out the flavor.
So I see the watermelon. What's that orange one there?
So the orange is papaya, but we're not
using it. Okay,
that's going to be for the fruit fiesta.
The watermelon, they look a little orange.
Half.
All right, and now you're going to
Half
pop that pineapple in there.
That's right.
Okay.
Can scrape it.
All right.
Half of it in the bowl.
If you move your hand fast,
Yes,
man.
half in the bowl.
I understand.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
Lots of pineapple. Do you add any ginger to it?
Stop. The customer has to request because some people are allergic to ginger.
Right.
Half of it.
Good stuff. So when I come to Baz Blends, I can say, oh, add my ginger, don't add pineapple or whatever it is. Okay,
yes.
I can customize it.
Right.
Which is amazing. All right. In the meantime, though, while we're heading there, adding the apple
all
juice.
the blueberries.
Yolande, where do we find you guys on social media?
Put your ice first.
We are at Baz Blends Cafe.
Instagram.
Yeah, for right on whistle, Baz. Yeah, for right on whistle.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
We are at Baz Blends Cafe on Instagram. On Twitter, we are at same Baz Blends Cafe. On YouTube,
Don't put all the
we're not on YouTube as yet. Yes.
All right, cool. We're getting there. This interview might end up on YouTube.
Nice, no?
So that's a good start. All right. And you know what I realized? That Yolanda is the executive chef here.
Yes.
And
Exactly. I'm just the muscle behind all of this. I'm just the muscle.
All the work done.
That's right.
But that's good stuff. All right. So Yolanda, you're the one that comes up with the menu items as well?
Yeah, basically. And we started with another person.
Yeah.
She really assisted us in the process. Her name is Denita Williams.
Yes.
Yeah, she assisted us in the process because she's a mixologist.
Ah,
yes.
There you go. Press away, my friend.
Next button. All right, stop now.
And it's so easy to make.
Yes,
because
it is.
we've been talking
Yes,
for like
it is.
what, the better part of maybe 3 minutes, and just like that,
have something
we're
healthy.
done. Here you
Ready
go.
to-
That's your cover. And I have a sample this on TV, so everybody knows. Say, is it shot or not? Right?
It's shot, man. It's shot.
But I'm pretty sure because with all these fruity ingredients, there is no way this is not going to be an amazing drink. So let's go. All right. All right.
Okay.
And
Straw.
we pop a cover on it, and she's got a straw behind
Well,
you.
you can use that one.
All right. Let me just quickly get this straw into it. Paper straws.
That's right.
Jumbo. All right. Hold on. No. Oh my God, this is amazing.
Yes, it is.
No, it's nice. Oh, wow. All right, that's a good one.
Very good.
So I don't think I'm gonna try the other one. I will try the other one, but I will take a spoon as a sample rather than
The
take a
other
whole
one might
straw.
be even better than this one.
Oh my goodness. All right. Well, this one now is called. This is the fruits.
This is this one fruit
Fiesta.
Yeah.
So we've got what in this one now? I see the papaya gone in there. I see the watermelon. I see
Pineapple and they put
pineapple,
strawberry.
Strawberries.
Yes.
Okay. No grapes in this one.
No, what you can add whatever you want, you know. Yeah.
Right.
Versatile.
Okay. All right. We'll pop them in. A little more ice, and we'll run that blender after we add the apple juice.
Yes.
Okay. How you come up with the names for the different menu offerings? Just vibes?
it's like-
You know, to be honest, it was a pillow moment.
Yeah.
We sat down for about hours thinking of.
Yeah, you went for hours brainstorming. Yeah.
And of course, we thought about the names, but what it is good for. We have the Up It Up, you know,
Yeah.
and that has in pumpkin seed and stuff like that, which is a protein smoothie to help
Right.
with
Macronutrients.
the macronutrients as well as it's a meal replacement. So we
Okay.
look at the purpose
Right.
and then come up with the name.
I got you. Give me a spoon. You don't even have to package that one properly, just so I can get a quick sample of it. Yeah, man. Pop it right there.
Here you go. You can use this for
Oh, man, just give me a little tips, man. There we go. That's what it is. You are right.
Of course,
I do prefer this one. This one's really good, but this
I
is...
told you.
Everything gone now. Amazing. Thank you, Shabazz. Thank you, Yolanda. Baz Blends Cafe. We'll find you online and we'll find you in real life as well. Amazing stuff. After the break, we've got more on Weekend Smile. It's a delicious show, so stay with us.